Washington's National Monument is known to have at least over about 30,000 sites, the highest concentration of archaeological sites in the nation. So to have this visitor center and this museum and curation and this research facility is an incredibly special place to work.
There were thousands of sites within that project area. Over 1,600 sites were identified. I think approximately 130 sites were fully excavated. And so that's a lot of material. It's something that I didn't really realize so much until getting into museum work, is how little we often know about artifacts that are exhibited, and people are just sort of trying to do the best they can with interpreting that. Folks from connected communities definitely have perspectives on objects and architecture that folks from outside of the culture maybe wouldn't even think of.
This is a curation center where we work with the local tribes, the county, and the state to be able to care for items for the rest of their lives.
In 23 years, I've done pretty much whatever there is to do. I actually made my own project. I said, oh, look at these horrible boxes. Can I change them out? She said, yeah, sure. A lot of it's been reboxed and rebagged since then, but
Yeah,
we're getting there.
thanks to Marty.
What I find interesting is if you look at the cookware from 575 AD to 1300, it changed. They strengthened their pots, they made them differently, they shaped them differently, and then by the time you get to 1300, you've got a really nice, strong cooking pot that's going to last. And these people are so clever and so smart and resourceful. You can tell. It's really amazing. It just is. It just is.